Hi, Dave here for RealWheels Corporation with a look at a product that will really set your Peterbilt or Kenworth apart from the crowd. I'm talking about our stainless steel Fenderettes, also known as Fender flares. Currently available for a variety of Peterbilt and Kenworth models, these stainless steel Fenderettes are the perfect upgrade to protect and customize your truck. Check our website for specific models available. In addition to enhancing the look of your truck, RealWheels Fenderettes help protect the body of the vehicle from road debris that can kick up past the fenders of the vehicle. They also help reduce overspray in rainy or snowy conditions, which improves overall road safety. All of our stainless steel Fenderettes are made in-house from high-quality 14-gauge 304 stainless steel, then polished and buffed to a mere shine finish. They will not rust, pit, corrode, or turn yellow. We've built our reputation on providing quality stainless steel fabrication and carry this expertise into every Fenderette we manufacture. Each kit includes a pair, one-piece or two-piece, of the stainless steel Fenderettes for both driver and curbside. Installation is secure with all mounting hardware and complete installation instructions included. The stainless steel Fenderettes are available from Peterbilt and Kenworth dealers and through many authorized chrome shops. See our website for a list of authorized dealers. So whether you're looking for added protection, competing in a pride and polish competition, or just want to add some shine to your Kenworth or Peterbilt, these stainless steel Fenderettes are a must-have accessory. For more information, visit our website at RealWheels.com or give us a call at 1-800-982-1180. And to receive notifications of new videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.